Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for Roth IRA, easy method. Log into Fidelity, select Open an Account, pick Roth IRA, and complete identity verification and beneficiary details. Then link your bank and set up a recurring contribution amount or one-time transfer to fund the account immediately so your investments can start compounding. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for Roth IRA, easy method. After funding, choose investments based on time horizon and risk tolerance, such as low-cost index funds or a target date fund. Use Fidelity's research tools to compare expense ratios and performance, and enable automatic rebalancing or dividend reinvestment to keep your portfolio aligned without frequent manual adjustments. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for Roth IRA, easy method. Quick recommendation. I often mention helpful reads, and a book I like can sharpen your long-term planning. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for Roth IRA, easy method. Start with a simple allocation like 80% stocks and 20% bonds if you have decades to grow, or shift to more bonds as you near retirement. Use Fidelity's allocation tools to model scenarios, and remember contributions happen post-tax, so qualified withdrawals are tax-free in retirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.